We should not afraid of problems and the obstacles encountering our life. Every problems and obstacles are the part of this nature and part of our life. Don't confront with the problems and obstacles. Consider the solution and accordingly change your path and ways. Like a river, when there is obstacles of big rocks in the path of river changes its way, and after a long time, these rocks becomes wonderful natural scenery in the coast, in the area of natural flow of the river. Like this way, we should learn from our obstacles and problems and should try to change our way accordingly so that our problems and obstacles becomes a wonderful part of our life and our achievements. Thanks.